Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Cheryl Aaron Siba. I am 34 years old. I am high school graduate. I am from Angono, Rizal, Philippines. I worked abroad in Kuwait for 3 years, from October 2018 to November 2021. I served one couple and then their three children's adult. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, gardening, and car washing. I can cook Arabic food and Filipino food, and I am willing also to learn how to cook Chinese food and all the tasks given to me. Mama, sir, if you hire me, I promise to do my job and responsibilities with love and dedication. I really need this job because I want to support my son for his studies and to our daily needs. And of course, I want also to help my parents as well. I hope you choose me as one of your helper. I am happy person, honest, motivated, hardworking. Thank you so much.